If you want to improve your chest voice for singing so you can sing better low notes and sing stronger and have more vocal control overall, I will show you exactly how in this video and also share why it's so important for you to have a strong chest voice as a singer. Hi, I'm Vanessa E, vocal coach and singer-songwriter with You Can Sing Too. And I believe great singers are not born, they're made. So my goal is to uncomplicate great vocal technique and teach you simple yet effective tools that really get results so that you can sing with more confidence, freedom, power, and range. Okay, so first I want to share the why do we call it chest voice? And why is it so important for singing? Okay, so we call it chest voice because we feel the sound vibrations in our chest when we are connecting with our chest voice in our lower to middle register. So having a strong chest voice is so important because it's the foundation of your voice, and it needs to be strong in order to sing with good pitch, power, control in our lower, mid, and believe it or not, even your higher register chest voice is important, and I'll explain that as we move further along. So if you're having challenges with any of these things, the first place to start is your chest voice. So I'm going to show you some very effective tools to connect with your chest voice and give you a couple quick vocal exercises that will help you also improve your chest voice. Okay, so number one is we want to place the sound deep enough to feel those vibrations. Okay, so I'm going to show you a really simple tip that will help you do this. So we're just going to put our tongue out. We're going to do this in a lower part, of our voice. All right, and so it doesn't matter the pitch. You don't have to match my pitch. Just find a low pitch for you. Stick your tongue out. We want a medium volume, and you're going to go ah, ah. So it's not pretty. It kind of sounds like a little bit bratty, right? It's ah, ah. But we want the back of the throat open, and we want that connection. And if you put your hands here, you can feel the vibrations. Ah, ah. We want to avoid the ah, 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 that extra air, and then that almost we're covering the back of the throat. So just say ah, nice and bratty, and you've got it. All right. Tip number two is to control your airflow. So we want to take in a good low breath to support the voice, but we want to avoid that breathiness like I just showed you. So this is going to help you feel more chest voice without the extra air. So a great tool for this is to use a hard consonant. So I'm going to use a hard consonant and a wide vowel because that will help you feel more chest voice. So we're just going to say gag, gag, gag. So we don't want to do it like this, gag, 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 gag. We just gag, gag. Nice and easy, strong, but not straight, okay? So tip three is to relax the muscles in your face. So if you notice when I was saying gag, I don't want to go gag, gag. We want gag, 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 gag. This is especially important as we go higher because it's going to allow you to keep some strong chest voice connection without the strain, okay? So I'm going to show you how to connect this on some notes to feel that nice vibration. So we want to relax your cheeks here, gag, 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 all right? And then I'm just going to play a couple of descending pitches. This will be for a female or a higher voice key, but in the lower part of your register. And we're going to go, so we're going to 1, 2, 3, we're going to sing gag. Wait, let me do that again. 1, 2, 3, gag, 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 gag. Nice and strong, but not strained. And you want to breathe, relax the muscles in the face, and you're going to go gag, 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 gag. All right, so let me play a couple for a male or a lower key, okay? So I might not do these perfectly because a couple of these notes are a little bit lower than my range, but just follow along. Take a good breath. 1, 2, 3. Gag, 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 gag. All right, now breathe. Keep the muscles in the face relaxed. Gag, 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 gag. All right, good job. Okay, so the next thing that is really important is this is tip number 4, is to maintain some chest voice as you ascend in pitch. So no matter where you are in the scale, you will have some connection to chest voice. As you go higher, you begin to release some of it and mix in head voice. So even if I hit a note here, that still has some chest voice in it, believe it or not. A lot less than what we did when we were in the lower part of the register, but it still has some connection. Pretty cool, right? All right, so I'm going to show you an exercise that is going to help you as you ascend so that you can still sing strong, but not grip the chest voice, okay? So we're going to do gag, gag, go, okay? So it's actually 3 gags. Gag, 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 go. And that's how we're going to shape the words. Gag, 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 go. All right, so I'm going to do a female or a higher key to start, but we are starting in the lower part of the register. So we're going to go, okay? So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Gag, 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 go. Okay, and that's it. And you're going to breathe. Relax the cheeks. Get a nice strong connection with that G. Gag, 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 go. All right, and one more. Gag, 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 go. And that's it. All right, so let me play one. I'll play this lower, all right? Again, don't pay attention to my lowest note because it's a little bit lower in the male or lower key than my range, okay? So gag, 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 go. Gag, 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 go. Breathe. Gag, 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 go. And last one. Breathe. Gag, 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 go. All right. So that is helping you feel the strong connection, improving your chest voice as you are starting low and going higher. And you also have the descending pitches to feel that connection in your chest voice as you go lower, okay? So great job. You totally got this. So just practice feeling that nice connection without that extra air, all right? And as promised, to help you with this, I have a free vocal exercise that is going to help you build your whole singing voice from low to high with more power and range. So just click the link in the description to get that because it's going to enforce what I showed you today. And if you apply these tips correctly, you're definitely going to be singing in a strong chest voice, improving that chest voice. So let me know your results in the comments, and also let me know if there's a singing tip video that you'd love for me to make. And last but not least, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button. You got this. See you next time. Happy singing.